Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we are going to do morning yoga for beginners. So let's start. So first of all, bring your hands onto your knees, close your eyes and begin to rotate your back. Warm up your back. Other way around. Release. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Inhale back, exhale to the right. Inhale back, exhale to the left. Inhale back, exhale, release, bring your hands back onto your knees and then change your left hand onto the right knee, right hand on the back. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale back, exhale to the left. Inhale back, exhale to the right. Inhale back, exhale to the left. Back to the center. And then inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Push with your hands, come back. Join the sole of the feet together. Shake your knees. Gradually stop and open your legs. Inhale, bring arms up. Exhale, bend towards the right. You want to keep your chest up. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, release, change leg. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale up, exhale to the right. Inhale back, exhale, release and open your both legs. Keep your hand onto your legs and as you exhale, bend forward. Inhale up, bring the hand on the back, exhale, chest up. Inhale back to the center, bring the hand back onto your legs and forward. Inhale up, bring the hands back, chest up, bend back. Inhale back, bring the hands on the shin bones or leg, forward. Back to the center and come onto your knees. And inhale, bring your right hand up. Exhale, bring the right hand under the left, head on the ground. And for more stretch, you can bring your left hand going to the side of the corner of the mat or stretching outward. And push with your hand. Inhale, right arm towards the sky. Exhale, release. Change. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bring the left hand under the right. Right hand stretching outward. Push with your hand. Keep going. Left hand towards the sky. Exhale, release. Then bring your hand slightly forward. Push your hip back. Chin on the ground. And push into child pose. Relax for between 30 seconds up to 1 minute. And whenever you're ready, sit up. Namaste.